Today we're going on a road trip to check out some sweet ice racing out at the local ice track. Come along with me and let's check it out. Hello and welcome back to Gears and Tech. Today we got a special episode for you. We are out at the Ghost Lake Drift Track. So here's a few things that you might not know about Ghost Lake unless you've been in the area. Mitsubishi went out to this very lake a couple years ago now when they wanted to look at setting a number of Guinness World Records.
To show off the capabilities of our all-wheel control system, we took a Mitsubishi Outlander and Outlander Sport to Ghost Lake in Alberta, Canada, to see how far we could push them. And we invited Guinness World Records along for the ride. The goal was to do something that's never been done before, set as many world records as possible in 24 hours.
So this is a natural choice for a location to set up a drift track. Now in years past, we actually went out to this same lake to do our winter tire test. So you've seen us out on this track before. However, the track this year was made significantly different than the track in previous years. Specifically, this track was made by a group of guys who really enjoy drifting. So they made this to be a drift track. That doesn't mean it's any less fun. In fact, it's probably more fun because the whole purpose is to be able to go around the track sideways rather than quickly. So this allows guys to come at a very slow speed in a controlled manner to experience drifting where they otherwise wouldn't. If you're gonna live in Canada and you're gonna deal with the crappy, snowy, cold weather anyway, well, you might as well have some fun sliding around on a track. So I have not been out to the track this year. I haven't seen it, I've only seen the pictures. So I just wanted to go and experience what the track looks like. Now I'm driving my Avalanche, which probably is not set up to go out on the track. I don't know if I'm going to take it out on the track. It depends how busy it is. But one thing I will try to get is some really, really sweet drifting shots. And I'm going to be trying to use my brand new camera, which I talk about in one of my other videos. So if you're impressed with some of the shots that we got in this scene, then look at my video where we talk about this new camera. We're almost at the lake now. We're just getting ready to take the exit and then go down onto the ice. Before we get too far into this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below. If you've seen some of our content already and have not subscribed, we want you to join our community. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's get back to the video.
Ooh, slush. Crazy. Dude, that little
pickup truck, Ford Ranger. I mean, we can take this thing out if we want. I got winter tires. Let's go over here around these guys. enjoyed the drifting footage that we put up. We weren't able to get a lot of different angles or anything just because we wanted to make sure we were a safe distance away in case anyone slid off the ice, which, as you saw in the video, someone did slide right off the ice right towards where we were sitting. So it's a good thing there was a big snow berm in the way, but a lot of people having a lot of fun, some great camaraderie out there at the ice track. And it's got me thinking maybe Gears and Tech needs to set up an ice drift car for next season. It's a little bit late to get one out this season, but I hope they do this track again next time. Remember, if you are in the area you want to check it out, go ahead and do that. It is a public area. You're allowed there. If you are there though, be respectful. Take your garbage with you. Make sure you clean it up. It is frozen right now, but in the summer it will be a liquid lake. People will be driving their boats in there, and we don't want to have a bunch of litter floating around in the water. It just makes a mess for everybody. So let's keep the scene clean and respectful and enjoy the lake in the winter and in the summer without having to deal with other people's trash. Hey, thanks for watching all the way to the end of this video. We hope you enjoy the content in this video, and we'd love to have you come back. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. And for those subscribers who are looking for that extra special thing that you can do to support this channel, consider joining our members group. That's where we're building this community, the Gears and Tech community, where we can all enjoy content together. You'll get special perks, which we'd love for you to check out by clicking the link down below. For those of you who are just happy to watch the video, that's okay too. You can check out some of our other content right over here, where we've got some previous videos that have already been uploaded and enjoyed by many of our viewers already. We do hope to see you again. This has been Gears and Tech. Have a great day.